Looking for the ultimate adults-only escape in the Dominican Republic? Let me tell you about Sanctuary Cap Cana, a luxury resort that promises to redefine your idea of paradise. This Mediterranean-inspired property sits in the exclusive gated community of Cap Cana, and after diving deep into guest reviews and resort details, I can tell you whether it lives up to the hype. When it comes to accommodations, Sanctuary Cap Cana doesn't mess around. The resort offers 3 distinct suite categories, each designed to make you feel like royalty. The junior suites clock in at a generous 592 square feet, which is already larger than many people's apartments. These rooms come with either a king bed or 2 queens, perfect for couples or friends traveling together. What really impressed me is the attention to detail. You get a soaking tub, which is perfect after a day in the Caribbean sun, plus all the luxury touches like bathrobes, slippers, and high-end toiletries. The private balcony or terrace gives you either garden or pool views, and honestly, both are pretty spectacular. The Mediterranean decor throughout creates this elegant yet relaxed atmosphere that immediately puts you in vacation mode. If you want to step things up, the master suites offer 915 square feet of pure luxury. The separate living area makes these perfect for longer stays or when you want to entertain. The enhanced minibar and Nespresso machine are nice touches that show the resort understands what travelers actually want. But if you really want to go all out, the presidential suite is where dreams come true. At over 1,600 square feet with a private plunge pool, this is honeymoon territory. The personalized concierge service and oceanfront views make this suite worth every penny for special occasions. The dining scene at Sanctuary Cap Cana is where things get really interesting. La Palapa brings that authentic Caribbean beachfront experience with fresh ceviche and grilled lobster that tastes like it was caught that morning. The casual atmosphere means you can literally walk off the beach and grab lunch without changing clothes. But here's where it gets fancy. Side Piece by Il Circo serves up traditional Italian cuisine with a modern twist that would make any foodie happy. The handmade pastas and wood-fired pizzas are apparently so good that reservations fill up fast, so plan ahead. The grill takes the steakhouse experience seriously, with dry-aged ribeye that guests rave about in their reviews. What I found interesting is that while the food quality gets consistently high marks, some guests mention that the variety can feel limited after a week-long stay. The resort runs themed dinner nights to mix things up, which seems like a smart solution. The bars scattered throughout the property, including a swim-up option, serve premium spirits and signature cocktails. One thing to note is that several restaurants require reservations, which some guests found restrictive, but the quality seems to justify the planning required. The beachside service means you never have to leave your lounge chair for a tropical drink, which honestly sounds perfect to me. The pool and beach situation at Sanctuary Cap Cana is absolutely stunning. 3 main pools give you options depending on your mood. The infinity pool overlooking the ocean is Instagram gold, while the adults-only pool provides that peaceful atmosphere you came here for. The swim-up bar pool is where the fun happens, and poolside cabanas offer shade when the Caribbean sun gets intense. What sets this place apart is the 300 meters of private beachfront with white sand and calm turquoise waters that look like they belong on a postcard. The beach service includes lounge chairs, umbrellas, and towel service, so you literally don't have to think about anything except relaxation. Water sports enthusiasts can try kayaking, paddleboarding, snorkeling, and sailing, all included in your stay. The pools operate from 7 a.m. to 8 p.m., giving you plenty of time to enjoy them without late-night party noise disrupting the peaceful atmosphere. Guest reviews consistently praise the cleanliness and maintenance of both the pools and beach areas. The beachside drink and snack service means you can spend entire days by the water without missing a meal. One small note from guest feedback is that popular spots like poolside cabanas can fill up early during peak season, so claiming your spot early in the day is smart. Activities at Sanctuary Cap Cana focus on relaxation and wellness rather than high-energy entertainment, which perfectly matches the adults-only atmosphere. The fitness center offers modern cardio equipment, free weights, and resistance machines for those who want to maintain their workout routine on vacation. Personal training sessions are available if you want professional guidance, and yoga and Pilates classes provide gentler options for staying active. What really stands out is the focus on cultural immersion. The resort organizes excursions to nearby attractions that give you a taste of Dominican culture beyond a resort bubble. Weekly live music and DJ nights at the main pool and beach bar provide entertainment without overwhelming the peaceful atmosphere. Themed dinner nights like Caribbean night and Italian night add variety to the dining experience and create special memories. The resort also hosts seasonal events including New Year's Gala and Valentine's Day specials that guests consistently rate as memorable experiences. Water sports instruction is available for beginners, making activities like sailing and snorkeling accessible even if you've never tried them before. The activities staff receives praise and reviews for being helpful without being pushy, striking that perfect balance between availability and privacy that luxury travelers appreciate. The spa and wellness facilities at Sanctuary Cap Cana deserve special attention, especially after the 2023 expansion that added new treatment rooms and wellness offerings. The spa menu includes massages, facials, body wraps, and hydrotherapy treatments, with Caribbean-inspired herbal massage being a signature experience that guests consistently rave about. Couples rituals are particularly popular among honeymooners and anniversary celebrants. The facilities include sauna, steam room, and relaxation lounges that create a complete wellness journey. Operating hours from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. give you flexibility in scheduling treatments, though booking in advance through the concierge is strongly recommended based on guest feedback. What impressed me in the reviews is how often guests mention the skill and professionalism of the spa staff. The treatment rooms were designed with relaxation in mind, featuring calming decor and peaceful ambience that extends the therapeutic benefits beyond just the treatment time. Wellness programs focus on holistic health rather than just pampering, with options that help you actually feel better rather than just temporarily relaxed. The spa's integration with the overall resort experience means you can easily combine treatments with pool time or beach relaxation for a full day of wellness. Since Sanctuary Cap Cana maintains an adults-only policy, there are no kids' clubs or family-focused activities. This exclusivity is actually one of the resort's main selling points, creating an environment focused entirely on adult relaxation and romance. The policy ensures that all facilities, from pools to restaurants, maintain a sophisticated and peaceful atmosphere throughout the day and evening. This approach clearly resonates with a target audience, as guest reviews consistently praise the tranquil environment and romantic setting that the adults-only policy creates. The location in Cap Cana puts you within easy reach of some fantastic attractions that showcase the best of the Dominican Republic. Marina Cap Cana sits just 5 kilometers away and offers upscale shopping, dining, and yacht watching that makes for a perfect afternoon excursion. Juanillo Beach, located 10 kilometers from the resort, provides a different beach experience if you want to explore beyond the resort's private stretch of sand. The Hoyo Azul Lagoon, about 15 kilometers away, offers an ecotourism experience with crystal-clear blue waters surrounded by tropical vegetation that creates incredible photo opportunities. Altos de Chavín, an 18-kilometer drive from the resort, recreates a 16th-century Mediterranean village with shops, restaurants, and cultural attractions that provide insight into Dominican artisan traditions. The resort organizes excursions to these locations, which guests appreciate because it eliminates the hassle of planning transportation and timing. What makes these nearby attractions special is their variety. You can experience luxury marina life, natural wonders, and cultural heritage all within a short distance of your resort base. The concierge service helps coordinate visits and can provide recommendations based on your interests, whether you prefer shopping, nature, or cultural experiences. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you're not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.